Welcome guys, and welcome to this tutorial series on how to build authentication system using JWT, using NestJS, and using React.js and MySQL as your database. In this tutorial series, we're going to be looking at how to implement simple JWT token, how to log in a user, generate those tokens, use those tokens as part of the user request, and validate each request using those tokens. And also on the front end, we'll be building the login system, we're going to be building the create account system, and we're going to be building our auth context, auth provider, and everything that will make it work. We're going to be doing a lot of things, but let me just show you a demo of what we're going to be building. So we have this page right here. You can see the URL. If I'm not authenticated, there is no way I can view the protected URLs. You can see it takes me back to the login page, asking me to log in. And we have the create account right here, where you can just create an account and try to do something with those accounts that you've created. So right now, if we go over to the login and you try to log in with an existing user, and this is password of password, and you logged in, we can see that we've logged in. And if you check our application right here, you can see those tokens, those refresh token, access token right there. And you can also log out. Once you log out, you can't actually visit those pages anymore, and you can only visit those pages when you logged in. And you can see that you logged in right now. And these are many more what we're going to be implementing in this tutorial series. So make sure you stay tuned and you subscribe and follow me. I'll be dropping these videos on how to build this and how to achieve this in videos to come. So I'll see you in next video, guys.